Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. August 4th PM session review, as well as August 4th Friday. I'm going to start doing end of week reviews. This is the first week number 1. We didn't even get a full week. I started this channel on August 2nd to track how much money we are making trading the one setup for life ICT concept. So let's get right into this afternoon. Between 12 and 1:30, we mark out the high and the low. That's our lunch buy side and our New York lunch sell side. We have some that believe there is an algorithm that starts at 1:30, and at 1:30, this algorithm is going to seek liquidity. So at 1:30, we had a little run here. I could make something up and say, oh, we ran into this order block over here, and that's what we rejected off of. To me, that's not liquidity. That's not what I'm looking for. Liquidity to me is where stops are resting. I don't know anybody that puts stops in an order block, but I'm sure there are people out there. You can make names for all these candles and come up with any kind of narrative you want to support which way the stock moves up and down. The only way to be successful with stock trading is not so much strategy. You do need a strategy that's consistent over time. The biggest thing is discipline. Discipline is where everybody goes wrong. So, did we have a run for liquidity at 1:30? I guess you could say that the run for liquidity was to go all the way down here. So we didn't sweep lunch liquidity, lunch highs or lows by far. So some of you might be saying, well, why didn't you take this trade here? Okay, let's see if it meets our trade criteria. Was a higher time frame liquidity area taken out? Yes, we had New York AM session buy side taken out. Did we have a break of structure after this was done? Yes, we did. And let's go ahead and mark that out here. I don't want this to get too confusing. I will turn this line to yellow. After the break of structure here, did we have an expansion move to the downside? Not really. I'm looking for, this is expansion to me, not these short, choppy little candles. But say you are just dying to take a trade and you want to say, well, break a structure is a break a structure. Okay. So the next rule that you have to follow is, when you had a retracement, did it retrace at least 50% back to the upside? ICT concepts say that if you're in a discount, you want to go to premium. If you're in a premium, you want to go to discount. So if you're going to buy to the downside, meaning you are looking for discounted lower prices, you want to buy in a premium. So you never would have gotten the entry here. Some people, I'm sure today, are going to claim, oh, this is ICT silver bullet. This is where you would have entered. This is it right here. And then you're going to target all the way down here. Okay, well, then you did not buy this in a premium, so you are not following your rules unless your rules don't account for being in a premium. Some people are also going to say this right here, this right here, this is the ICT silver bullet. This is where you should have got in. This is where you should have got in. Okay. Same thing. If we pull a fib on here, you're nowhere even close to being in a premium. You have to follow these rules if you want to be consistently profitable. Could you have made a lot of money by shorting this blue candle today? Sure, but your rules are going to be so loose that you're not going to be able to be consistent over time. So, did we get a trade this afternoon? No, we did not. Weekly review. I'll be putting this up. I'll be splashing it in throughout the week for sure, but I'll definitely be going over this every Friday. So this week, total hours invested. Again, this is just since we started the channel, which was August 2nd. 18 hours. I have not made a penny. So anybody that has a job that worked at least 1 hour this week, that was paid minimum wage, whatever minimum wage is this week, has made more money than I have being a full-time stock trader. I don't do anything else. I don't have another job. I am obsessed with the indices. I watch NASDAQ and E-mini S&P all day, every day. If I am to leave my home office, I take an iPad with me. I am always watching these things. So 18 hours invested, $0 on the week. What a lot of these YouTube stock people will not tell you is you could have 18 hours invested and you could be down $200, $500, $1,000, $10,000, $20,000, whatever a lot of money is to you. You could put all this time in and you could be negative at the end of the week. So capital preservation is the biggest, is your number one first thing you need to do when you start doing stock trading is try to preserve your capital, which is what's your risk per trade. And don't worry, we will get into all of that once we actually get a trade. So Friday PM session, no trade, weekend review, 18 hours in, $0. Hopefully next week we can make some money so that I can at least get up to our minimum wage average dollar per hour earned. We only need one good trade and it could change everything, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you don't want to leave a comment, that's cool. You can email me directly at ictbacktesting@gmail.com. I am happy to help you however I can in your stock journey. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.